Ever feel like procrastination is choking your creativity, leaving you stuck while deadlines loom? What if it's not the real enemy you think? Last episode, we talked about how breaks can recharge your energy as a photographer. Now we're focused on procrastination. Don't worry, I'm not going to flip-flop on my advice from the previous episode. Procrastination is not just about stalling. It can be a signal to step back and reset. Breaks in procrastination serve different needs, but even procrastinators can use a pause to refocus. Today we'll discover how to turn that delay into drive, using short, smart breaks to cut through the overwhelm and boost your productivity. Ready to reclaim your workflow? Let's get started. Procrastination's a bitch. Each and every one of us at some point has struggled with this, and it's hard to escape. You're avoiding edits, dodging client emails, or doing other low-level tasks as excuses as time slips away, along with your confidence. It's not just laziness. It could be a fear of subpar work or overwhelm from endless tasks. But here's the deal. Either way, it's just a signal. It's not a stop sign. Last time you saw how breaks refresh you when you're burned out. This is different. Procrastination begs you to pause and ask why. Are you listening? Are you dreading tasks you could outsource? Or just too paralyzed to start? That pause can be your power move. Therefore, it's not about stalling more. It's about clarity. Imagine delivering stunning work on time with confidence and control instead, free from frantic panic and stress. This matters because procrastination just doesn't delay edits. It delays your growth and kills your confidence. What if a quick step back could show you the full picture? Procrastination can easily cost you up to 2 hours a day, slashing productivity by 25%. For photographers, that means missed deadlines and disappointed clients. You might think, I'll just push through, but that's a burnout trap. Here's the real problem. You're ignoring the signal. Maybe it's perfectionism or overwhelm from tedious edits, but a strategic break, no, not an escape, can change it. Therefore, using that pause to reset, not as an excuse. Studies show short breaks boost focus by 20%, turning delays into action. Last episode, we used breaks to recharge. Here, they're about refocusing when you're stuck. When you're unstuck, you don't need to recharge or refocus because you're on fire. This isn't procrastination's free pass to use as an excuse to take a break. It's a deliberate reset to identify what's holding you back. Maybe it's a task you need to delegate, or you just need a little nudge to get started. Either way, you'll cut through the chaos and finish stronger if you first identify what it is. You might worry breaks waste time, but done right, they actually save time, giving you control, smoother workflows, and room for big wins and big ideas. Let's dive into how. Now that we know why this matters, here's how to turn procrastination into productivity with these 3 steps. Step 1, take a 2-minute start. When you're avoiding a task, set a timer for 2 minutes and just begin. I get it, getting started feels heavy when you're overwhelmed. I've been there so many times before and I felt that dread too. But I found committing to just 2 minutes kickstarts momentum. So kick that whiny bitch voice in your head out and pick one task and commit to just doing it for 2 minutes. 90% of the time, you'll find it wasn't as hard as you made it seem, and the amount of stress release will be amazing. So do it again. Step 2, pause with a purpose. Next time procrastination hits, step back for 5 minutes, no more. Just walk away, take a breath, give it some space, and ask, why am I resisting? Is it fear of failure? A task I should outsource? Are you not clear about what you need to actually do? Like the fear of the unknown? What could you do to ease the resistance? This isn't about avoidance, it's clarity. Last episode, breaks recharged us. Here, they reveal what's blocking you. Plan a 5-minute reset before your toughest task tomorrow. Get clarity and get ready to get going. Step 3, act or delegate. With your answer, decide, push forward or pass it off. If it's just getting started, do it now. Use that 2-minute start concept. Small steps beat paralysis every time. You can do almost anything for 2 minutes. If it's work you hate doing, consider outsourcing it or automating it. Reframe "I can't" into "I'm choosing to focus on what moves me forward." After your next reset, act on one task or delegate it this week. These micro moves builds control. You're not stuck. You're learning to fly. Your procrastination isn't a flaw. It's a signal, a chance to pause, reset, take charge, and improve. Today, you're turning delays into action, shifting from overwhelm to a workflow that works. Start small. Set a 2-minute timer for that task you dodged. Watch what happens. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or follow us for the latest Visionary Insights episodes. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If today's message resonated with you, share it with someone who might need it. Dive deeper into these strategies and unlock your full potential by clicking on the link in the description or our profile to access our courses. Feel free to check out other Visionary Insights episodes for even more valuable lessons. Until then, keep pushing your boundaries and explore new opportunities. See you next time.